Scott's Reviews. Today you're looking at my initial impressions of the ZV-1F. Some footage of the ZV-1F and the GoPro Hero 11. Not really do a comparison, but to kind of show myself what you can get out of either camera. Like how much better is the ZV-1F over the GoPro for vlogging versus just using the GoPro Hero 11 and not buying this $500 camera for the extra bokeh background. Am I getting bokeh? I want to get these things off my chest before we move on to the footage. A couple of things that are obviously different about this camera versus the ZV-1. Raw photos are gone. The only JPEG, which is unfortunate and kind of strange. My RX0 right there does raw photos. So it's not a cost thing. It doesn't cost any more money to put that software in there, but they elected to make it non-existent. So if you're looking to do some good photos every once in a while with this camera, you left the JPEG, and they're all right. I would go ahead and use your iPhone if you got one of them. So this leads you to vlogging and product showcase, which could be something that you're looking for. And it's kind of a little bit something I'm looking for. Do a quick headshot like this for a video, and then also it's so light I can put it on a small tripod over my studio setup and use the big camera to do the talking and use the ZV-1F for product showcase to get those shots overhead of the product you're talking about. I have a lot more to say about this guy. We'll get more in depth on the next review of the menu system, all the things that are missing, because this thing is crippled pretty hard by Sony. They took a nice whack at it and got rid of a lot of stuff, which I think was ridiculous to get rid of, but they did it. So we're going to talk about it. And now becomes the footage, a little bit of vlogging to get experience with the GoPro Hero 11 and this camera, and see which one you like more. Is the GoPro Hero 11 just good enough to make it work, or is this setup something that you really would like to have? Almost like you got the big camera out. Enough of me jib-jabbing. Go watch the footage, and we'll have a little bit of talk at the end. 4K 30 defocus is on, so it should be all bokeh-ish. I could definitely, well, I have it on active state. I could definitely, well, we'll go for a second and then we'll switch the stabilization off so we can get some, will you adjust? So we can get some catalyst browse going on. Come on, Lou. Stabilization is off, so this all needs to be catalyst browse. Come on. It's on clear. 4K 30. She did not want to go on this walk at all. So we're gonna head to Costco here in a bit with the daughter, and we'll do a vlog on that. And this is the GoPro on 5K 30. Just have the GoPro itself. I don't have the medium mod hooked up right now. So the internal microphones, I understand that it will beat, Sony will beat the microphones, but will this work just good enough? Or do you prefer that really Sony look of crispiness goodness? Who's that?
Kicks.
Alright, now the stabilization is off on HLG2 picture profile 10. And we'll try to play with this in browse and in color grading. I think she has to go do the business. Here we are in a dark spot. Will it adjust? Don't aperture priority, so maybe not.
They were really hard. Like you coach said, couldn't return it.
Ooh.
And it was like it was backhand too, and it went shoot.
Love it.
And then I had really good forehand, and then I got nervous, thinking that like you were gonna be gone by the time like I ran over there. So I was like, if he's not there, then I guess I just get a free run in.
That's true. We're gonna go to Costco next.
Costco. And I got my drink, and then they were out of the sandwiches, so I got a lemonade with no ice, so I could have it like later in the week.
Lemonade, no ice. Oh, okay.
Like just a plain lemonade.
Gotcha.
And I was really smart about this because they had a kid size, which is a 12 ounce, and then the tall is also a 12 ounce, and it's only like a couple cents difference from the tall and the grande, which is the and I saw that big pile of the leaves, and I told Mom, she's like, that's my job.
Yes, it is. That's what she wanted to do. 'Cause I was gonna blow them all in the corner.
You raked them in and she picks them up.
Yeah, I don't like picking stuff up. Obviously. Let's go to Costco. Let's go to Costco. All right, we're going to Costco. Favorite salads. Our favorites.
These are number 5.
Oh, okay. Nice. Are you sure?
Yes, 5th.
Alright.
Orange juice.
No.
Can you get apple? Old Bay and popcorn bags.
Popcorn bags.
It says Old Bay, they have it, comma, popcorn bags.
Big boy? Oh, yeah, no.
Is it heavy?
Yeah, but we're gonna put it.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Alright, I think we're almost done. Always like $300. That's for tomorrow. And on sale.
Bacon. I thought we were having bacon.
What?
I thought we were having bacon.
Oh, we have both.
I'm hungry.
Want a $1.50 hot dog? They're world famous. $1.50 hot dog with a soda.
Okay. I got it on my cut.
Woo! With that $1.50 hot dog and a drink. That's a good deal. What'd you think? GoPro didn't do that half bad of a job. Not at all. Yes, I think the Sony gave you a little more of that crispy blur background kind of look, and it's starting to rain. Are you serious? So I'm not going to give any more thoughts or opinions. My next review will have pretty in-depth of more comparison. I'll throw a little bit of the RX0 footage in here just to show you real quick, but we'll do a lot more with the next review. So you guys subscribe and stick around if you're interested in this camera, want to know more about it, all the things that are missing about it. And it's raining, and this camera has no water resistance at all or weatherproofing, so it's a good time to wrap it up. Subscribe down below, make it turn from red to gray, and I'll be happy. All right, let's get to 3,000 and out of the rain. RX0, ZV1F. We're gonna walk through the woods a little bit. I have India filters both off.